Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find wallpaper and icon. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the wallpaper and icon again. And here we've got the preview of our current lock screen and the home screen. Here we've got the colors which we can apply to the menu, and here we've got wallpapers. So let's tap on more wallpapers and the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So our own photos and pre-installed options on device wallpapers, and those which are also available online. So all we have to do is to find something we like. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the option and you will be able to check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen with the icons applied. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now let's wait, be patient, as it needs the time to process everything. Alright, now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.